The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, what are they and why do they matter? The United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, are a set of 17 goals that member states have committed to achieve by the year 2030. The SDGs were adopted by all UN member states in 2015, and they are an important part of the UN's work to promote peace and security, human rights, and sustainable development. The SDGs are important because they provide a blueprint for how the world can address some of its most pressing challenges. They are also important because they are universal goals that apply to all countries, regardless of their level of development. The 17 SDGs are: 1. End poverty in all its forms everywhere. 2. End hunger, achieve food security and improved nutrition, and promote sustainable agriculture. 3. Ensure healthy lives and promote well-being for all at all ages. 4. Ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promote lifelong learning opportunities for all. 5. Achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. 6. Ensure availability and sustainable management of water and sanitation for all. 7. Ensure access to affordable, reliable, sustainable, and modern energy for all. 8. Promote sustained, inclusive, and sustainable economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. 9. Build resilient infrastructure, promote inclusive and sustainable industrialization, and foster innovation. 10. Reduce inequality within and among countries. 11. Make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. 12. Ensure sustainable consumption and production patterns. 13. Take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. 14. Conserve and sustainably use the oceans, seas, and marine resources for sustainable development. 15. Protect, restore, and promote sustainable use of terrestrial ecosystems, sustainably manage forests, combat desertification, and halt and reverse land degradation and halt biodiversity loss. 16. Promote peace